A single glowing dewdrop hangs from an obsidian leaf in a cosmic forest. As we dive into this microscopic sphere, we leave the water behind to find the entire night sky, billions of spinning galaxies, perfectly active inside a space smaller than a grain of sand. When you shatter a holographic plate into 1,000 pieces, you aren't left with a collection of broken fragments. Every tiny shard still projects the entire, complete image of the original subject. This contradicts our basic intuition of scale. We are taught that we are small passengers in a massive universe, yet the physics of light reveals a reality that is folded rather than divided. It is easy to feel isolated and insignificant while drifting through a cosmos that appears empty and apathetic. But the holographic principle emerged from a different realization. Researchers studying black holes found that our physical reality is actually an emergent projection, with its entire blueprint encoded on a flat boundary. This works through non-local distribution. During the recording process, light from the entire object is scattered across every single fraction of the surface, ensuring the whole is present in every part. Even when the universe is perceived as billions of isolated pieces, the original wholeness remains perfectly preserved and accessible within every resulting shard. Ancient mysticism describes this same architecture through the Sefirot, 10 fundamental information vessels that serve as the spiritual code for our reality. A central pillar of this system is Hitkalilut, or inter-inclusion. It posits that every individual vessel contains the precise structure and qualities of all the other vessels. In this model, the cosmos is a vast lattice of interlocking crystal mirrors, where every mirror reflects every other mirror across infinity. When looking into another person's eyes, you are viewing a different shard of that same mirror lattice. The Zohar and modern physics are providing two different languages for the same phenomenon: the inherent, unbreakable wholeness of everything that exists. Physicist David Bohm described this as the hollow movement, a framework where reality exists in two distinct states. There is the explicate order, our three-dimensional world of separate objects, and the implicate order, the underlying boundary where all information is unified and enfolded. Under this framework, deep intuition and meaningful synchronicities are interference patterns bleeding through from that underlying unified state into our daily lives. Consciousness acts as the mechanism that decodes this hidden information field, translating the enfolded wholeness into the reality we experience. This leads to the principle of Olam Katan, or the microcosm. It suggests that human biology and consciousness are structurally identical to the macrocosm of the universe. As a human being, you are a complete projection of the cosmic lattice, the bridge between infinite information and physical manifestation. The entire ocean is active within every single drop. Because information is distributed non-locally, any adjustment to a single point in the system affects the configuration of the whole. This gives your internal state a tangible influence on the universal hologram. By refining your own consciousness, you reconfigure the interference pattern of the entire collective. The perceived boundary between the self and the cosmos is a property of the holographic projection rather than a fundamental truth. Your soul is the singularity point, the location where the vastness of the universe is folded down and brought into self-awareness. The entire universe is written inside your soul, waiting for you to remember the code. If you want to keep decoding the cosmic secrets of the Zohar with us, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's uncover the next secret together.